Have you ever wanted to create a gradient mask on an image in Adobe Illustrator? I'm not talking about clipping masks, I'm talking about these. Let's take a look. So I created a quick design here to show how gradient masks work. As you can see, I have an image of a love seat, a background, and if you notice, part of the image is masked and the other parts are kind of blending in the background with a different color. Let me show you the original image. That's actually the original image. So what I did is mask part of the image, and the other part I just added a gradient mask to blend it with the background. Let's recreate the effect. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I have created the mask already. It's basically just a shape, and I traced the love seat and those table lamps on the side tables. Let me just copy this image and let's select the mask and the image, right click and make clipping mask. And now I'll just go edit, paste and back. As you can see, we have the same image twice, one with the clipping mask, and the one in the background I am going to add the gradient mask on. Let's lock this object here. On a second thought, actually, let me unlock that object and get it out of the way so you could see what is going on with that mask. Let's create a rectangle. And let's choose gradient as the fill. Now for the transparency, as you know, black is transparent, white is opaque, and in between is just translucent. Let's make it 90 degrees. And let's use this as a mask. You click on the object and go edit, cut, then click on that image, go to the appearance panel, click opacity, and click make mask. Then click on the mask area and click anywhere on the artboard to deselect. If you notice, I cannot see the image. It's there, but there is no mask. So I go edit and paste in place. And there you go. You can also adjust that mask, play around with it any way you want. Let's bring back our... Okay, you see I can't actually click on anything but that mask. So remember, you're gonna have to exit this mask mode. Go back to the appearance panel, click opacity, and click on the object itself. Now let's click on this guy here and align it to the bottom. Then let's create another rectangle, give it a background and send it to back. There you go. That's recreating the effect. Now you can also have these masks as shapes. You can create any shape. I created this shape here, the star with a gradient. Let's edit, cut, select this image, go to the appearance panel, click opacity, make mask, and click on that mask, and then click anywhere on the artboard and say edit, paste in front. And there you go. Don't forget to always exit the mask mode, otherwise you won't be able to do anything else. So this will be the end of our video today. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you later.